In this lesson, we are going to be treating how to play music and video with your computer. Now, to do that, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to insert a disk in my computer. But before then, first thing, double click on computer option. When you double click there, this shows, but here there is nothing on it. So what we'll do is we'll first and foremost put our play disk inside the drive. It loads, and once it loads, when it comes up, oh no, alright. Now that it is up, what we can simply do is we can make two options. We can do the first option by just right clicking. This is an automatic player that dictated the music, but we are not using this. We want to use the default Windows app. So what we'll do is, now that here is open already, you can just go to the start button, type Windows Media Player. Let's just go to the programs directly. Windows Music Player. Where is it? Okay, we go to Windows Accessories. We now click on Windows Media Player. Now that we've clicked it, we can simply, let's right click and bring out the menu options. Show menu bar, for instance. Already we have it. We can say open. Then we locate the drive, which is this. Choose all files. Then it will display the tracks available. You can simply select any of the tracks you want. Let's just say, for instance, you want to select this. We'll select it and wait for it to play. So that is how it happens. Once the song starts, you can reduce the volume of the song automatically, and it will go down. So that is what you do, how you play an audio music. You can as well come down to the same my computer option. For instance, you can come down here, right click on it and say play with. Alright, so you can just click on play. It will go with the default player. Okay, this picked up another player I have on my system. So, but you can right click on it, choose the play with if there's option there in your system, because you can still have open with. So, but I don't want to use this. I have to close this. So but if this option that I'm trying to do now don't work, you can use the open auto player. This particular option will show up. You now click on the particular player you want to use, and once you click on it, it starts singing. So that is how you play your music or your video. Now there are more things that you can do. Clicking here shows you the player, the track list. You can as well click back there to extend, or double click on it to make it fill your screen. So that is how it works. Now another option you can want to work with is controlling the volume. At times you might play your music and you notice that the volume is not working. All you do is you right click on this volume, go to the volume mixer. Let's make some experiments here. Let's assume this is off and we came here, we were playing music. It's obvious the music is playing, but here the sound is switched off. So we can do it here now. It will come up. Now another thing you should understand, you can come back here. It will happen that some of the devices here are not working. It might eventually affect the song. Okay, this one didn't affect it, but sometimes there are some effects you will make. Now the volume of your system can be reduced from here and it will be sounding well. So if you intend to increase it higher, you can come ahead and increase it at this point so that you see it. So that is how you work with the system stuff. Now another thing we want to know is how to transfer the music from the CD to your computer. If you want to do that, you first of all come to this place, open this area. You can just say open in a new window. It opens like this. You shift it at the other side, minimize this so that you will be seeing the songs appear. Now let's say I want to put it inside the folder music. I will create a folder. Let me create a folder and call it Wonder Music. Press enter on the keyboard. Then we can easily highlight the songs and drag it over to the folder we created. And opening it, the tracks are there. You slot, once you slot it, you double click it, you specify where you want it, and it shows. So this is how you copy your music. When I play my music here, it still works. So guys, this is how you play your music in Windows. This here we come to the end of operating system, and the part 2 side of it, which is the Windows operating. Just do well to check the questions in the lesson and answer them correctly. As you answer them, your answers will be recorded for your results to be displayed.